Yo, what's good, everybody? My name is Jared Pole Contante from 12 Kepler, and we will explain the momentum and the impulse and momentum relations.
And hi, my name is Diofer Dirondaris, and we'll each define the concepts and solve real life problems using IRL or in real life items. And let's get to it.
Let's get it. So, what's momentum? Momentum is it measures how much motion you have on an object. Like, for example, heavier or faster objects have more momentum. So, our formula is right here. You can see that right there. Very beautiful. It's P equals to M times V. The M there means mass, and the V for the formula is velocity. So, without further ado, let's go to the problem solving. So for my problem solving, I have this ball that weighs 0.62 kilograms, and I'm gonna roll it to wherever it goes to the wall, maybe, and it will be, I believe it's gonna be exactly 4 meters per second. So we will find this momentum by demonstrating it first. So let's see. So as you can see, it's really fast. As exactly 4 meters per second. So now I'm gonna go to my solution, which is in the board. For the solution, this is our formula again. As for our given, our mass is equals to 0.62 kg. Sorry for my handwriting because I am tabbing it. And for the velocity, it's equals to 4 meters per second. So if when you put the formula together, so it's gonna be P equals to open bracket 0.66. Sorry about that. 0.62 times 4. And we'll use this my best friend calculator to solve our solution. It is so we're putting in 0.62 times 4. Our answer is gonna be 2.5 kg meters per second. So our final answer for our impulse is 2.5 kilograms meters per second. That's all.
For momentum tells us how hard it is to stop a moving object. More mass or speed means more momentum. So I'll be using the 1.1 kilogram thermoflask, and if I slide it at 2 meters per second, it will find its momentum, which I'll show you how in the problem solving later.
Go.
Okay, so I have this 1.1 kilogram thermoflask, and I'll be rolling it in approximately about, what is it, Jared? Like 2.2 meters per second.
I think
right?
it's 2.
Yeah, 2.2 meters per second. And I'm gonna roll it, and you're gonna see later for the solution, like what we did, to see how many, yes. Okay, so let's roll it. Trying to find a good angle, not trying to miss it. Wait, wait.
Go. Go.
Okay, so remember when I threw the what's that again, Jared?
The thermoflask.
Thermoflask on the wall, and the thermoflask is about 1.1 kg, and I
Yes.
threw it approximately about like 2.2 meters per. I mean, 2.2
Two,
meters.
two, two.
Yeah, 2 meters per second. Sorry, because about 2. So we're gonna use this formula. P is equals to M times V, which is mass times velocity. Okay, So let's write it down. 1.1 times 2. So obviously it's 2.2. But let's say the world changes. Let's check the calculator, because maybe like it's gonna be like 2.4 or something. So 1.1 times 2. Would you look at that? Still 2.2. So with that saying, the Hydro Flask moved about 2.2 kilograms and 2.2 kilograms kg can garnet meters per second.
For our next topic, it is impulse momentum relations. It means that impulse is now the change in momentum acting over time. And our formula is right here. It is the J there is the impulse. Impulse equals to the delta P, which is moment P for P is for momentum, and it equals to M, which is mass, quantity VF, which is the final velocity, and minus VI, it is the initial velocity. So without further ado, let's get to my solutions. For this problem solving, this basketball. So for example, this basketball is 0.62 kilograms, and I'm gonna bounce this ball into this wall, and let's say the approximate speed is 4 meters per second, and after that, when the ball bounces back, it's gonna be approximately 2 meters per second, and we'll find the impulse of it. So let's begin. So see this ball, bounce it 4 meters per second. So 3, 2, 1. That's comparing it to the when I bounced the ball there to the wall, it was kind of fast, but when it came back to me, it's kind of slow. So for my solution, there you go. For our given, we have 0.62, which is the mass. So 0.62, that's our mass, and for our final velocity, it is -2, because -2 is because it bounces back, so it's a negative. It's like the opposite of it.
So it's like coming back to you.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yes.
So for our initial velocity, it is 4. So we'll write here. The mass is 0.62. So it's the kg, and for the quantity, it is -2 minus 4. So
Why is it -4? If you don't mind me asking.
because it is it's the formula, it's what's given.
Okay.
Even though the number given here is positive, but the formula is minus, so
That's why.
it's gonna be still gonna be negative.
Okay.
So
All right.
our teacher in math said to go with the parentheses first. So -2 minus 4 is, from my brain, it's -6. So 0.62 -6. So now what we're left to do is now compute the two variables left. So come closer. So 0.62 times -6, and we have negative. Yeah. Our final answer is closer. Is 3.72. Negative. Negative 3.72 kilograms meter per second. So this is our
Yes.
and so now this answer is the momentum, momentum, and impulse. That's all. Thank you. Go.
Okay, so for my problem, again, I have this 1.1 kg thermoflask, and I'm gonna roll it approximately about like, what do you say, Jared? Like
3, 4, 3?
3,
3 sounds nice.
Yeah, 3 meters per second. Yeah, I'm gonna roll for 3 meters per second.
Where?
In this,
What's that?
I found it in my garage. Like, it's like for a printer, and then
Ooh.
so instead of the wall, we're gonna throw it there, and after that, I'm gonna show you the solving.
Okay. So let's do it.
Solution next. Okay, so for what you saw, like me rolling the 1.1 kg thermoflask to the makeshift something, you can see the mass of our thermoflask is 1.1, and our final velocity is 0 since it didn't go back to me, and our initial
Why didn't it go back?
huh?
Why did it not go back?
Because look at the thermoflask. How do you expect it to go back to me? It's not a basketball. Okay.
Sorry.
And I don't know what happened there. And for our initial velocity is 3. So first, we're gonna subtract them. So 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. Let's put in the calculator just to see. Oh! I didn't even have to solve it. It was already there. It's negative 3. Negative 3. And now you remember our what okay. 1.1, excuse me. We're gonna multiply that by 1.1. Right?
Go.
Oh, would you look at that? Another fix. Okay, so 1.1 times negative 3. Check at the calculator. Oh, my magic didn't work, did it? Anyway. 1.1 times negative 3 is gonna be negative 3.3 kg times meters per second. Kilogram times meter per second. So negative 3.3. Discard the mile number. And there you go. That's my solution to the problem.
We just got done with our solutions and our demonstrations. So in conclusion, momentum defines how strong an object is, while impulse explains how forces over time change the motion. So that's all, and hope Mom Lovely liked the video, and please do not present this in the classroom because I really do not want it. So like, it's me and Jofer. That's all. Thank you.